Hello my friends, my name is LAZERJET and today I've got I have a very special video for you guys today because the reason why I'm doing the intro in my room is because I want to explain to you guys where in this video where I've gone and what I've been doing. One of my fans told me about this Hornby, it's called the Fareham Hornby Railway expedition, and he invited me to come. And I hopped on the train from Eastleigh to Fareham, and I actually met up with this fan, and I didn't actually get him on camera though, unfortunately, but I did meet three other fans, two other fans, three fans including Harry. His channel name's Sir Harry. I want to do the intro like this so I can say to Harry, thank you so much for inviting me. And there was Hornby Railway expedition thing. There was so much stuff on sale, and there was so much stuff just on display, so I'll get into it in just a second, but I just want to say to you guys that before you see this video, thank you for giving me all the suggestions, because I love it when fans invite me to go to places, like the fan who invited me to go to the Midlands Railway, and I met 5 fans there. But the point I'm trying to make in this little intro is to say hope you enjoy, and the intro of this video is actually going to start while I'm actually at the expedition thing. I was going to say exhibit, I don't know why I said that, but no, I meant to say you guys get the idea. So the video you're about to see is where I'm actually doing a little introduction at the actual expedition place, but I also introduced to one of the fans who I actually met there. So my friends, enjoy this video. Hello guys, I've finally made it to the railway thing. Amazingly, a fan actually told me to come here. I'm just standing in, as you know where I'm standing, but I'm just out of everyone's way because this thing is absolutely packed right now. I'm going to look around and see what kind of products we have, and we actually have a fan with me if he wants to. Do you want to be in the video?
Hello.
Hello.
Right.
Do you want to say? You can say your channel out name if you want.
I'm South Coast Train Spotter. Hello. Nice
And
to meet Lazer today.
It is lovely, and he's not the only fan that we've actually met today, my friends. We've actually met three or four. I think it was 3 fans, because one of the fans who actually told me to come here today, his name is Sir Harry. So Sir Harry, if you're watching, or his name's just Harry, thank you so much for suggesting this amazing day. I think I'm a little bit out of focus. Let me just sort of focus out a little bit.
They can see you.
That's all right. But and we had another fan as well who loves the channel. I can't actually remember his channel name. I'm sorry, man, if you're watching. I forgot your channel name.
Smith-Myatt, wasn't it?
Ash something. Ashman. Is it Ashman? I don't know. The point is so far I've had a good day. We've seen so much stuff, which I'm about to show you guys in a second. But thank you for everyone for supporting the channel, and thank you to all the fans who actually came. I mean, this is not supposed to be a fan meet-up. This is just a casual day me going out. And this is what happens. Every time I go out, I just meet fans. This wasn't even planned.
Yeah, well, I'm here.
Well, he's here. Say hello.
Hello.
Hello. So what we're going to do now, my friends, is I'm just going to have a look around, show you guys what they've got on sale, and show you guys what they've got on display. So let's get into it, shall we? blue. Alright my friends, we've actually had a look around and we've met a few fans, which is nice, and he has even met some of his fans.
Hello, yeah.
But now what we're going to do now is, my next train is actually an hour, so I've got a few bits of money to spend. Although I did actually buy something, but I'll show you guys when I get back home. You guys are actually going to love it. But at the moment, we're just going to be looking around a bit more, then probably make my way back to the train station. But I'll see you guys when I possibly get back on the train or when I get home, one of those two. But you guys are in for a bit of a shock once I have for you when I get back home. So I'll see you guys in a bit. Well guys, I finally made it back on the train. I bought myself some fish and chips actually, which is nice. But the day was absolutely amazing. I met a nice few fans, as I said. But when I get back home, I'll show you guys what I've bought. But in my opinion, I think today has been 10 out of 10 actually. And there was a nice woman on the train as well who I just had a nice conversation with. She's actually very friendly and very nice. And it's not every day we get to talk to nice people as well. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to flip the camera. I'm actually filming on my phone as well actually, because my camera's in my bag now, but my chips are in the way. So what I'll do is I'll flip the camera on once I get back home, and I'll see you guys. And I've got a live stream to do tonight as well. The time is, no, I'm doing alright for time. But until then, I'll see you guys when I get back home. So see you in a bit. Well guys, I made it home safe and sound. Please ignore the noise in the background. It's actually my fan. You can't actually see it. It's down there. That's just in that corner, but that's blasting away, so that's lovely. But I did promise you guys to show you what I bought, and here it is. You guys are going to love this because I thought this was a really good deal. I bought, oh, can't actually fit it in the camera, this, the Northern Belle, hauled by the Duchess of Sutherland in the LMS red livery, and you get these lovely nice Pullman coaches. So I'll actually do an unboxing video and a review of this probably next time, but I'm actually proud of this, and amazingly this only cost 80 quid. That is a bug. So you get an entire starter set with lots of new track, an entire loco, and 3, I think they're Mark II Pullman carriages for 80 quid. I think that's a bargain. I don't think I've ever had a deal this great in a long time. But until then, my friends, I'm going to head off now. So you guys, I hope you guys do like the Northern Belle. I will do, as I said, I will do a review on it very soon. But guys, thank you again so much for watching. I'll probably go again tomorrow to do some more filming, because I enjoyed it so much that I think I might go again and meet some more fans. I actually met 3 fans there today. I did say that before in the video, but I met 3 fans there today. So you guys, thank you so much for inviting me. I mean, it was actually you guys who invited me to come. But until then, my friends, have a good day. Make sure you follow me on Twitter and Instagram and Twitch. All the links are in the description. Have a good day, my friends. And I need to live stream because I'm live in literally 2 hours' time. But, you know, I've got a lot of sending up to do. But until then, my friends, have a good day. And remember, it's all about the game. And I'll see you all next time. Bye. Good morning, my friends. My name is LAZERJET and welcome back to another video. It's actually very early in the morning. I'm never actually up this late, as you can tell. I'm actually travelling on the class 444 today, and I'm actually on my way to Fareham because yesterday I actually went to a Hornby rail show thingy. But I decided I enjoyed it so much, and there was a lot of friendly people there. I decided I'm going again. But the time is actually like, it's literally like 9:30 in the morning, so you know it's pretty early for me, but I'm actually just sitting down, very nice, very comfortable. But I'm at Ainsley train station at the moment, and we're just about to set off very soon. But we've actually got a nice view of the EC rail yards here, so actually no complaints from me. But I'm going to be doing a lot of filming again today, but hopefully I'll get some good footage for you guys when I get to the Hornby rail show. But until then, my friends, enjoy the journey. That's all I can say. But I'll see you guys when I get to Fareham.
Welcome aboard, ladies and gentlemen. This is service for Ports Harbour, LAZERJET, Botley, Fareham, Portchester, Colchester, PLC, Fareham, Portsmouth, Southsea and Portsmouth Harbour. Change of Ports Harbour ferry connects to Gosport, waiting for fast cut service to Ride On Way. Please keep belongings with you at all times. Safety notes are displayed throughout the train. Pass for the train journey. If you need assistance, please feel free to ask me. Service for Portsmouth Harbour.
Aha, we're off. So it's literally like.
Service for Portsmouth Harbour, LAZERJET, Botley, Fareham, Portchester, Colchester, PLC, Fareham, Portsmouth, Southsea, Portsmouth Harbour. Change Ports Harbour ferry connection to Gosport, waiting fast cut service to Ride On White. Please keep belongings with you at all times. Safety notes are displayed throughout the train. Pass for the train journey. If you need assistance, please feel free to ask me. Also available on station platforms. Service all stations to Portsmouth Harbour.
Throwing the life at me. Oh, I think this is a class 450 we're about to come through. Look at that. Ah, I think that one's just about to get ready for its journey to Southampton, I think. How lovely. Right, my friends, so we actually made it to the show again. This is actually the second time I've been here, because I actually came here yesterday. Bought myself another little souvenir. I think it's a class 47 with TTS sound. Not bad at all. So I'm going to keep looking around and see what I can find. Might get a little bit more stuff, maybe not. But I'm having a good day. I'm actually glad. I mean, everybody has to have a diesel. I mean, I don't actually own a diesel, and I've never actually. Well, I did own the TTS Sound Tornado in BR Blue, but I don't actually have any TTS Sound locos at the moment. So I thought, I've got a TTS Sound controller, so why not get a TTS Sound locomotive? So I decided to get this amazing class 47. So I'm going to keep looking around and see what I can find. But until then, enjoy the show, my friends, and I'll see you guys in a bit. Right guys, I've seen pretty much everything now. There's not really much for me to see except head the train back to Eastleigh and go home. But I've actually enjoyed the past 2 days of this amazing experience. I might come back here again next year when it's open again, because I think that's going to be here again possibly next year, hopefully. But don't forget to subscribe for more content. My Twitter and Instagram and Twitch links are in the description. Again, thank you guys so much for watching. Have a good day, and I'll see you all next time. Bye!